You can customize the edge panel on your Samsung Galaxy so it gives this nice liquid glass-like look, or you can customize it the way you like by changing the background. This can be done right now with the help of the latest HomeUp app on Samsung OneUI 9 update. Right now, you won't find the latest HomeUp app on Good Lock, even if you're on OneUI 9 beta. But this new app has started to show up on Korean Good Lock, so expect it to pop up soon on your Good Lock app. But if you cannot wait, then you can simply download the latest HomeUp app by checking out the link in description. Once downloaded, install this app, and by the way, only install it on your Samsung Galaxy if you have the latest OneUI 9 update, because it won't work on OneUI 8.5 at the moment. Once installed, you can simply long press on your home screen and tap on settings. Now scroll down and you'll see an option that says more customization. Just tap it and HomeUp app will open up. Now go to Edge Panel and enable this option right here. Here you'll see Edge Panel background. Just tap and enable this option. Now you can try out different customization settings. For example, for the liquid glass look, the background was solid in color, blur was reduced all the way to this point, and you can keep alpha somewhere here. Then you can adjust the corner radius to whatever you like. It is being displayed in real time right here in this section. After that, it'll be done. You can check out how it looks by opening the Edge panel. Although it's not like actual liquid glass with real-time background effects, but still it's pretty close. Also, it gives a nice and different style to your Edge panel. If you don't want to try out this transparent look, you still have some other options which are available in this background tab. Also, this new HomeUp app is really powerful. It offers up to 5 multi-finger gestures that will make your Samsung Galaxy phone super handy. For example, I have selected it to adjust brightness by swiping with 2 fingers left or right. Then I can open Play Store by swiping 2 fingers up, and in the end I can swipe down with 2 fingers to take a screenshot. You can try out a lot of other combinations and shortcuts that you like. There's a list of things that you can do with these multi-finger gestures. What do you think about this new update from Samsung? Do let me know in the comments and I'll catch you in the next one.